Hey there, Chris Woods here from Daily STEM, and sometimes you just need to do some fun family activities with your kids, and that can be a learning opportunity as well. So maybe go and pick some apples at an orchard or get some from a farmer's market or whatever. Bring them home, toss them in the sink, get them all washed up, but then the process becomes trying to peel them all so that you can turn them into applesauce or pie and use a quarter cup and a half cup and a third cup and get some fractions going on as well. But getting all those peels off can be a long process unless you happen to have a drill at your house and a spade bit. Now make sure it's clean. Pop it in, tighten it in, make sure it's set on number 1 speed so that it's not going too fast. Pop your apple on the end of that bit and grab a peeler. I like the ones that go side to side. They tend to be a little bit safer. And just slowly, you don't even have to push down all the way on that trigger. And there you go, a nice clean peeled apple so that you can get to the fun stuff, especially the tasty part.